Hey guys, so in today's video I will show you how to install MT4. So I'll start with MT4, but it's quite a simple step. So I'll show you how to install it and set it up. So head over to your Play Store, then in your Play Store search for Metatrader. So you see the second option, Metatrader 4. I'll do another one for Metatrader 5, but it's just similar, it's just the same thing. So click on install. Now after it's done downloading, click on open. Then now it's going to load for your demo account. So the demo account will be hosted in the platform, but let me continue and show you more. Click on accept, and now your account is ready. So if you click on the top left, okay, on the top left you can see your MT400 account. So click on that where it says manage accounts, and here is where you're going to see all the accounts that you own. So if you have like 5 accounts or accounts on different brokers, this is where it's going to be displayed. So on this information icon here, it shows the account type and the details about the account. So at the bottom right there is a navigation menu. So there's this one at the bottom left that shows to our one going sideways. Both of them are pointing sideways, so click on that, and then now you'll see all the currency pairs, major or minor, is in the list below. So let me start first by removing and adding pairs. Let me start by removing, since it's the simple one. So to remove a pair, you're just going to click on the pencil icon on the top right. Then a bin icon will also appear, so click on the bin icon, then select the pairs that you don't want. Click on the pairs you don't want, then after clicking the pairs you want to delete, click on the delete icon again, and then go back. Now you can see you have sorted your currency pairs. Now to add a new currency pair, click on the plus icon, then click on forex, and then search for your currency pair. So you can use the search bar to search for a currency pair, or you can just like click on any pair, like you can see card GP. So let me add that. If you want to add another one, just click on the pair. Let me add euro card. Now you can see the pairs have been added. So that's how you use this menu on currency display menu. So you can also see in this menu you have different information. You have the bid and ask price, you can see the high and the low of the day. You can also see like the spread. You can see the spread now for euro USD. The spread is 1, GBP USD is 3. So when I click on the next option on the bottom right, after the 2 arrows that are pointing sideways, you'll see the currency pair. Now you'll see the chart of your currency pair. On the top half is the currency pair chart. At the bottom you have the indicator list, the indicator that you have already inputted in the chart. So if I want to delete this indicator, you're just going to click on the top. You can see there is an F icon. Click on that F, then here you'll see all the indicators that are in your chart. So to delete the bottom indicator, just click on the bin, then select the indicator, then click on delete. So now you see your chart is empty. Now to add an indicator, just click on the F icon, then click on the F plus icon. You can see their main chart, F icon, then search for the indicator you want. Now let's return the RSI that you have just removed. So if I click on that, you can customize the indicator to your liking. Like you can see the period, you can increase or decrease. You can also add levels. So to increase the period, you just click on that and maybe place it, maybe use 21, and then on the level you can see there is the 30 and the 70. So what I can do, I can just click on the pen icon and then click on the plus icon to add a new level. So let me add a 50. So you can see the 50 level which has been added. And then once you are done with customizing the indicator, click on done and head back, and you can see the indicator is now there, and the new features, new details that you have inserted in the indicator are now appearing. So the next, after the F icon on the top, you can see there is a rectangle, circular and a triangle icon combined. This one has the technical analysis items like the Fibonacci, the lines, the trend lines, the horizontal line and the vertical lines. You have the equal distance channel, and you have the arrow icon. So just use any. To add even an object, you just click on the plus icon, and now you have the several objects that are available to add in. So maybe I want to add the Fibonacci retracement. I'll just click on the Fibonacci retracement, And then now I'm taken back to my charts. Now just place it anywhere and drag it to your liking. So that's how you input the Fibonacci on your chart. To delete the object, you just hold it and then this menu will appear. Click on delete. The next option is the currency. This is a shortcut to the previous page that we were at, so you can shift on currencies by clicking on that currency icon and checking the currency that you want to move to. So if I click on GBPUSD, you can see I have shifted to GBPUSD. Now to change the time frame, just click on the chart and our wheel will appear. It has several time frames, so you can see now we are in the GBPUSD, the M5 time frame. If I want to move to the M15, I'll just click on M15, and you can see after loading, the chart has opened the M15 time frame. Now in this wheel icon, there is a cursor which has a plus, so this one help you in like measuring the distance or get information about the chart. So when you place this cursor over any indicator or over any candlestick, you can see at the top there are 4 levels, 4 set of numbers that appear. So you can see the one that starts with the 128.36, then 1.28709. so those numbers indicate the open, the close, the high and the low of the candlestick. So that's how you see the information about a candlestick. So you can see the high, so the second number from your left is the high, and then the next one is the low of the candlestick. Now to make it like disappear, you're just going to click on the top. There's a cursor of sort that has arrows. Just click on that and you can see the cursor has disappeared. So that's how you use that part, so the wheel. And then you have now the 2 shortcuts which have the that appear on the wheel. You can see the objects shortcut and the indicator short. To open a new order, there's a plus icon inside a page like icon here. You can see on the top right, the last one. Click on that, and now here you have your order section where you can place your order. So you see now the first option here is instant execution. So if you enter using this instant execution, the moment you enter, it's the broker accepts your order. The order is sent into the market directly. But if you want to maybe you can use pending orders. You just click on the instant order and this drop down menu will appear. So you can see you can use buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. If you want to maybe place a buy limit, just click on buy stop or buy limit. If you want to place a buy stop, click on the buy stop. At the second row, we have the size of your order. So you can see at the moment we are on 1 lot. So this is where you change your lot size. So you have 4 shortcuts. That the center is the lot that you're using. So if I click on the plus 0.01, you can see the lot size increases 0.01. If I click on minus, it reduces. So if I click on the other one, plus 1 plus 0.1, it increases by plus 0.1, so it becomes 1.1. Next we have the prices. We have the bid and ask price below that row, and then we have the price of the entry price. So if you're using a pending orders, that's when this row will up with the price. If you want maybe to place the buy stop, you must place it above the current price. So you're just going to click on the plus icon, and you can see when you click on it and that order moves, you can see the place icon at the bottom of this page becomes like lively. It starts like it shows its place. At the second row, we have the input bar for the stop loss, take profit. So like for the stop loss, since the buy stop is above, should be below the price, the activation price. So click on minus, and you can see on that minute goes down. Click on the plus, the take profit goes up above that, and you have seen that. Now when the take profit and is above the activation price and the stop loss is below price, on a buy place order now becomes active. So if I click on place, now my order is ready. So once price hits my order there, you can see where my stop loss is. The order is going to be activated. I'm going to enter into the market on a 1.1. okay, the take profit will be where it is now, there at that top. So that's how you go about that. Now to delete an order, you see at the bottom right you have several icons. So the third icon is where you manage your order. So this is the order that we have just put in place. Now to delete it, just drag from the right, okay, drag from the right and it will appear, or just click on it or hold it, or just hold the order. And then when you hold the order, there will be 3 options that appear. So you can modify the order here. Maybe you want to increase the stop loss or reduce it, or the take profit, or change the activation price. This is where you go and do that. After you have reduced or increased, let me increase the take profit. Now after increasing, the modify option will become like active, so click on modify, and the order now has been changed. You can see now the take profit has moved up. The second, when you hold it again, the second option is the delete order, so you can delete the order. Or the third option now is the chart, so this one will take you back to the chart you are. So if you want to delete the order, just click on delete and then confirm delete. Now your order is deleted. So this page is just for managing the order. So you see at the top there is a plus icon inside the page, and there's the arrows pointing up and down. So those arrows help you in sorting out your orders. If you want your orders to show in the order format, that the order numbers, you can click on that. If you want the orders to be sorted going downwards with the time you entered the order, it will be sorted in that way. So if I have several, like, let me show you an example. Let me just open some small orders. Okay, so if I make a buy, now if you want to sort these orders, now you are at time, you see now it's sorting by orders, the way the orders, and now you can place on time and it is going to shift and sort the orders with time. Then next, you can order by symbol. Now if you have several pairs on this, you have entered several position on different pairs, you can just sort with the symbol option, and now the orders will appear together. If it's you have entered Euro USD, GBP USD at different times, now the orders are going to be, the Euro USDs are going to be together and the GBP USDs are going to be together. You can also sort by profit. So by profit, the orders that are in profit are the ones that are going to be at the top of your screen, or the ones that have more money. After that, let me just close this, or let me just leave it as it is. So that's how you close an order. You'll be brought with a prompt saying, do you accept or reject closing the order at that designated price? Just say yes. Then we have the fourth icon at the bottom. This is where your past orders will appear. If you have ever placed an order, maybe a pending order or an instant execution order, this is where it's going to appear. So you can click on this, and it's going maybe to sort by some symbols, just specific symbols. So if I click on that, you can see all symbols or GBPUSD. So if I only want to see how profitable I am with maybe GBPUSD, you can use the sorter icon using the currency with the arrows to sort with currency pairs. The next one is to sort using the order type, symbol, closing and opening time, and also profit. So those two are for sorting out the order. The third one is for sorting out using the date you entered. So if you want to see how profitable you are last week, you can just click on that calendar icon, then click on last week, and it's going to show you orders from last week. And now you can also sort it out by custom period. So if I click on custom period, you can see if you want to check from 2021 January to now, you're just going to from the custom period from, so enter the date you want to start the checking from, and to the date you want the sorting out of the positions to be last at. So after that, click on done, and the sorting will happen. So the next one here, it's where the news events that are happening on the market are going to be displayed. So this one I don't even use it that much, but you can maybe depending on how you trade, you can use it. So you can see there's a folder icon. You can sort it with the several news providers. So if you don't want Vimeo's news information from Vimeo, you just click on that and check it, and that's that. Then there's a delete icon, so I can delete all this by selecting that and clicking the bin icon and deleting it. So you can see no news at the moment. So if new news appear, it will appear here. Now here, the final at the bottom right option here is where, like, if you're connected to MetaQuotes, you have a MetaQuotes account. If you don't have, you can click on register. If you have, you click on sign in. So here it's where you're going to get notification from MetaQuotes. So if maybe you're using a VPS, or maybe you have set an alert on your computer and you want it, you're not near your computer and you are traveling with your mobile phone, so this is where the information will appear from your computer to here using MetaQuotes. I'll show you in a video on how you can set up order on a computer and it appears here, or connecting your MetaQuotes from your mobile to the computer. So let me just close the orders that I opened for this example. Before I forget, let me show you how like to add a new account from a broker. So maybe you have opened account with a broker, so I'll leave a link in the description box of the brokers that I use. You can join them. I've tested out, I've tried out many, but these ones are the ones that I stick with till this day. So if you have created an account, a demo account or a live account, and you want to access it in your MT4, on this page where you click on the top left, this menu that will appear, you're going to click on the manage accounts, then you'll be brought to this page. So to add account, you're going to click on that plus icon. Then you have two options. To add an account, you're going to click on the plus icon, then you'll be brought to this page where you'll have two options. An account, and you want a demo account, you can use this method and click on login in an existing broker. So here you're going to search for your broker. Maybe I search IC Markets. So enter your broker name. You'll be sent an email with the details. So you're just going to search your broker name. Okay, so now once you click on that, you place your broker. So if I search IC Markets, so you can see my several servers that I can log into. You are going to appear. So if maybe I'm been sent in my email that my server is server live, that if I just click on that, then input your login details and your password. So maybe let me try this. After that, click on sign in, and just after signing in, you can see this result is going to appear with your details. Account balance will appear here, like how this balance on this demo account of Metatrader 4 is appearing. So it will appear here. So that's how you add an account on MT4. Now the other thing that I might have forgotten, so you also have the mailbox, the calendar, Google Economics calendar, traders community on this menu, and you have the settings and journal, but I don't use this much. So let me show you before I finish the video. To change the colors on your chart, you can see now the chart is black with the colors like different colors. So just click on the menu on the top left, go to where it says settings, then you'll be met with this settings page. You can change the advanced mode. You saw where I showed you the like number sets that show the sizes of the candle. This is why you switch it off and on, but I don't change anything here. I just leave it as it is. The important part is here at colors. You're going to go to here at colors, then here you'll be met with different customization options. So you can change the foreground color, the grid color, the bar up, bar down. You see several options. So there's also a simple method where you can use the scheme to change it. So if I click on this scheme and a drop down menu appear, you can choose a green on black or black on white, or a custom. So let me choose green on black and click on done. So when I head back to the chart, you can see the color has changed. So you can play around with that option, with those options, till you find the one that is to your liking. At the settings, then color page. So let me return the one that was there. I think it was this black on white. No, the other one. So it's color on white. Okay. So you can use the custom option and customize it to your liking. So that's another method. I'll leave a link in the description of a broker that you can join, so you can support me using that. By using, you're not going to be charged extra free fees or anything. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly hit the like button.